Here is a cute, food-inspired DIY costume that you can make in no time. You need a red dress, a headband, your glue gun, and white and green felt. Simply cut out tear shapes for the seeds out of white felt and glue them all over the dress. Make a topper out of green felt leaf shapes and glue them onto a headband. This costume will be a great design if you can't figure out what you want to be or get invited to a last-minute party. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.